Oh!
She's like, I'm not singing anymore.
Oh my God.
Good.
Holy God, that hurt.
Good.
Oh. I have no idea what happened, but when I started coming here, I could barely move my back, the whole thoracic area on the right side. The back is still an issue, but we have to start working on my Achilles because I can't function for the things I want to do. Yeah, he knows about it, but I think we got to start looking at mostly the left side.
The left Achilles. Okay, rotate when you're ready. What do you feel there?
Just a little tightness in that same area, but better than
Like
last
here?
week. Yeah, a little lower. A little lower. It's a little,
So
like right
here?
around there.
Okay. 32 degrees.
Tightness. Oh.
Tightness. Out of 10?
It's only like a 2. They were both an issue, but the right, whatever Dr. Chris worked on, got a little bit better. Certainly dancing barefoot on concrete did not help that.
On concrete.
This one, you can see this one swollen. Coming up and down on it,
Yeah.
or if I try to do on a stair and go lower to add tension to it, it
hurts. Can you
hurts
show
and
me
it goes
where
for days.
it hurts?
It's like all here. Like
Is it
this is
under
2
the heel
years.
at all?
Not
No.
under the heel. This is, look how swollen it is.
It is.
It's like in here and up here. It's just constantly tight and
And
feels
how
like
far
it's
up does it
locked
go?
to about here.
Okay. You're just, and you're feeling it there?
It's here, it's here, and it also is super tight in the front. And I almost feel like all these little bones, I didn't fracture them, but it has that feeling, like I'm overworking them.
Yeah. Okay. Is it a
Right now.
pain, a pulling?
It's a super, super tight here and even in here. And then tight in the front here. It almost feels locked here somewhere.
And if you would grade the tightness out of 10?
Well, today is probably a good 7. PT, I've been doing the 40-pound kettlebell with up 3, down 3, and it helps and it loosens it up, but the minute you stop doing something, it goes right back.
Okay.
And like I said, if you're standing on a stair, this was the more progressed stuff in PT, and I really didn't progress to it because it hurt, where you go down on the stair and raise your weight. I did that the other day, and it was a lot worse.
Yeah, okay. Let me measure how high you can go. So we're just gonna do the heel lift.
This one is just a little tweaked from the dancing, so I can get up now. I didn't used to.
That's great. And what do you feel there?
Just tightness. So this one barely sore, but just a little bit.
Tightness here or tightness
Same spot, like here and here.
And out of 10, how would you rate that?
That's only like a 1. This one just got tweaked. Whatever Dr. Chris did a month ago seemed to make this better, even though he was working up here. It's never not there, ever. But
0 to 10 right now.
right now, when I'm walking on and I haven't been walking on, I'd say it's a 6 to 7.
So this is the first time we're treating her Achilles. Her mid-back's doing 65% better. But as we're going along with the case, somebody has new symptoms, then we start going after those other spots to fix their other problems. And she needs to be able to walk. This is where it hurts?
It's there and even off to the sides. It's probably even a little lower.
Where, over here?
Than when you're pressing.
Over here?
I can show you. It's right about here, like just above the bone, and on the sides a little bit.
Here?
A little lower.
Here?
Towards the middle a little bit more. Like right around here.
This? Does that
Yeah,
hurt?
that hurts then.
Okay.
Sorry.
So she's got a little bit of very mild tendinosis, but mostly tendonitis there. This should be thicker if it was really badly degenerated, but it's not horrible. So I'm gonna unload. That range is almost 3 inches, so it's less than 50%. So I'm gonna start unloading the calf, which is gonna help take stress off the Achilles. So this is flexor house as long as it's attached to the big toe. It's pretty gummed up down low. It's pulling pretty tight, tighter than it should. And it's just thicker. And when these tissues are tight, something has to take the load, the excessive load. So in her case, it's the Achilles tendon. So before I start treating the Achilles, I need to restore function to the other stuff. I need to get her closer to 4, 5, 6 inches. Go. More dorsiflexion.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good. FHL, 5 passes, moderate severe. I know.
Holy Lord. Oh.
Good.
Excellent. A little light on.
No. Good.
Oh my God.
Good.
Holy God, that hurt.
Holy God.
Holy God, help me out here. That really, wow. Wow.
Tibialis posterior, tibial nerve, tibialis posterior. There's a little marble right there. I'm treating that marble first. Bring your knee towards the wall.
Just standing, it's okay. I'd say it feels like a 3,
What was it
4. It was probably like 7.
At least you know how to anticipate it.
This is still the worst symptom back here for upper back.
Yes, it's definitely feels better than last week. It's still there, so it's not gone 100%.
0 to 10 right now.
Right now, I'd say like it's a 2+. Like it's from here to like a little here now too. You know what I mean? Remember it was all like right
Yeah.
here. It just feels like it's gone down a little bit here, but I prefer that to where it was impairing my breathing.
And when you rotated to the left, you felt pulling in that area, or you felt pulling higher?
That same area, but
Yeah.
but much less than previous times. Again, like a 2+. Stiffness right here.
That's a higher stiffness though.
Yeah, it's from like here to here. Still feels like I'm almost gonna pull my muscle, but I never do.
0 to 10 stiffness.
It's probably a 3.
So the primary symptoms are right here.
Yeah, it's not quite past the bone. It's like here to there a little bit. So it starts here to there.
Side this way, please.
I just want to touch the
Stay
wrist.
face this way.
Don't we?
We all like touching each other.
I'm like,
It's good for us.
sorry, I'm sweating from the
Arms
chakra.
across your chest.
Oh, yeah.
Vader costorum. I don't know what level. T10, T11, LC. Rotate left. How's that stiffness?
Better.
0 to 10.
Like 1.
1 to 10 stiffness. How about to the right?
Still like a 2. It's better.
0 to 10.
Like a 1 if under 1. Ooh, but see, now I get a pull there when I come out of it.
Okay, lower your arms. Turn right. You still feel it there?
Just a little right here.
What'd you just draw there, buddy?
A line.
Smart ass.
It's where I was feeling it pull tight. Because everything pulls when we move, but something should, instead of just pulling a little bit, it should pull a lot and yank. And when that spot that yanks, that's a spot that's usually overloading somebody, causing their symptoms, or causing their symptoms in another spot if it's not in that exact right area. It's my job.
It's amazing.
Just rest your
Go
arm
ahead.
down.
Oh,
Good.
oh.
Go.
It's a release sometimes.
Much
That
better. Yeah, and then if you're on the right spot, the tissue's gonna soften immediately, which it is.
I have no idea what happened, but when I started coming here, I could barely move my back, the whole thoracic area on the right side, and I couldn't draw breath, and my shoulders were rounded forward. That was my first problem.
Thank you. Good.
Oh, I don't really feel anything except where you push, so that's great.
Good.
I know push is very rudimentary, but you know what I mean.
Sorry, I'm swapping it up for you. Beautiful. What do you feel there?
Just tightness where he worked. I don't know if it's necessarily discomfort. I can't tell yet.
Out of 10, the tightness?
Like a 1 to 2. I trust you, and I'm coming for so many things, so absolutely.
How far are you coming?
I drive over 2 hours, and with 3 accidents, it's 3 hours, so far. It's a drive. So, but happy to come. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate you.